Here's my boat rig. So it looks like normally when I go out every day. So, yeah, there you go. There's people over there kayaking. Water's quite a bit down compared to normal, but yeah, ought to be. It's normally up here, all the way up here to these rocks, but it's down quite a bit, so hopefully the fishing will be good. Alrighty, see you then. There we go. Take it. Too little though. I got you then, boy. I got you then. I got you then. Oh yeah. Let me get my net over here. Alright. Your net, baby. Oh yeah. Damn, boy. Take it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm talking about. Get that out. We pull me right down here. Dang. Did we get that shit on film? God, dog.